How's it going, guys? Vaibhav here, and I'm here at Jumbo Electronics in Mall of the Emirates, this time checking out an exclusive. This is the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Fold. This is a foldable laptop from Lenovo, and we're going to take a look by unboxing the device. So this is the box that it comes in. Pretty sleek packaging if you ask me, and once you open it up, you'll be able to see just what I am talking about. So you get yourself the actual laptop. You'll wonder that the form factor here is not just of a laptop but also of a tablet, and we'll get to that in just a bit. I'm gonna put this off to the side and let's check out what else is inside. So we've got the usual paperwork to get started if you need. We also have ourselves a stylus. So this is the stylus that comes accompanying the X1 Fold, which you can use to interact with the touchscreen on the device. So there is that as well. And that's pretty much it. That's everything to do with the packaging on the X1 Fold. Let's go and pick up the actual device now. As you can see, I'm just gonna peel off the plastic covering. You'll be able to take a look at what exactly I am talking about. So this is the device, and it doesn't look like a conventional laptop because it isn't. It's actually got a foldable screen on the front. It's a 13.3-inch foldable OLED panel, and you can basically fold it over like that, and that is basically your laptop and tablet simultaneously. Let's go ahead and power this thing on and see what we're dealing with. So now that we've got the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Fold opened up, let's talk a bit about the actual specifications of the device. You have two Type-C USB ports on it, one at the bottom right over here and one off to the side. Aside from that, you get 512 gigabytes of SSD storage as well as 8 gigabytes of RAM. Now the unique aspect about this is you can use this thing in different orientations. So the 13.3-inch display, you can use it either landscape or portrait, but you can do more with it using the keyboard of the device. Not only that, you also get a stand that comes with the device. So this basically allows you to prop it any way you want on a table. So this is the keyboard that you get with the device, and the keyboard is actually really helpful for those people who, let's say, don't want to interact with the touchscreen all the time. You can pretty much have a tactile feedback on the keyboard. So let me go ahead and show you how this thing works. I'm just gonna prop it up like a typical laptop right here, take the keyboard, and it magnetically attaches to the device, and there you have a conventional laptop as well as a touchscreen. Now you can pretty much do all your word processing or any extra projects that you might have to do with the laptop. And what's unique about it is even though you have the keyboard inside, you can still fold it all the way and carry it just as you would any regular book. It's not that heavy, it's not that bulky, and whenever you want, get back to work just by opening it up and you're ready to go. Given that the X1 Fold is the ultimate productivity tool, you obviously need it to meet all your requirements. And not only can it be used for work with a 9 to 10 hour battery life, ideal for a typical workday, but if you were to pick up the keyboard as I mentioned earlier, you can use it for multimedia. You've got stereo speakers, a very good experience on that front as well. Now, as far as the actual charging capabilities of the laptop is concerned, you get 65-watt charging power on this thing, and this basically allows you to charge the laptop on the go using fast charging. This is the second part to the charger, and the unique aspect about the charger is how compact it is. You could pretty much put this in your backpack, put it in your pocket even, and for you to stay connected on the go, this is the ideal solution. Of course, the Type-C USB ports that are used for charging the machine can be used to expand on your port selection as well. So Lenovo includes an adapter, which is an Ethernet to Type-C adapter that you can use to connect to wired internet using this machine, or you can use any other adapter to get access to a variety of different ports depending on your use case scenario. So the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Fold is currently on pre-order exclusively at Jumbo Electronics up until the 20th of January for 14,999 dirhams. You can also get it at an EMI option for 700 dirhams per month alongside Jumbo Salama for extended warranty.